is very important. And business acumen. Acumen means how quickly you can understand. Business acumen is how quickly you can understand business. If I ask you, which is the best business as on today, and immediately you say, this is the best business. So I'll say, oh, you're talking like a businessman, right? That's called business acumen. You understand how the business works. So these are the few things which I thought of sharing and spend more time on, discuss. I'll I'll complete the presentation and then I'll go ahead with the few videos I've selected to show you. Coming back to the value of certification, of course, as I said, we have all those logos and brands, what you have seen. We manage that global certifications from many bodies. But here the specific is to share something about PMI. CAPM is for those who don't have any experience, but they want to enter the project management as a career. PMP is for those who have 3 years of experience. Those who have more than 8 years of experience, I highly recommend that you plan for PGMP.